Hi, welcome back or welcome to my channel if you're new. My name is Laura. Hi, hello, welcome. Today we are clearly looking at my single eyeshadows, but I want to elephant in the room this. I am filming right now on my cell phone versus my actual camera, so we're going to see how this is in editing and posting, but hopefully the quality is not bad. It's just so much easier for me to put my phone on a tripod and film on my desk than my camera. So I'm going to see how this is, and hopefully maybe this is a good setup for me. But I am going to be doing a build your own palette for the month of January. I already have in the shadows that I'm working on in some other projects right now. I will have those projects linked down in the description box, but I'll probably have one tagged somewhere. I don't know what side of the screen it'll be posted on, because I'm filming on something different. So I am just going to do a build your own palette for the month. So I did purchase a new Tarte palette. I like the sturdiness of this. I like the feel of it, and I like that this is a 9-pan versus 12 pans. So I just wanted to go ahead and build a quick 9-pan palette. So maybe we should just dive into this. I'm missing a shade very clearly that is in my BYOP, and then I have an Urban Decay shade in here already. Those are the two shadows that I am working on currently in projects. So I want to just get some shades that will either complement or give me some more variety in the month. If you haven't seen my pan those eyeshadows, we have a very, very monochromatic color story going on in that project. So I do want to get a couple shadows with maybe a different kind of color vibe going on into my rotation, and maybe even hit pan in something this month. So yeah, that's really it. So because I want to hit pan in, no, I wanted to bring this shade in, which is JD Glow, Good God. Is that Good God? Yeah. It has a decent dip in it, but I don't know. I'm about at my wit's end with blue eyeshadow and like cool tone shadows, even though that is so cool. That is such a pretty shade. You know what? Whatever. I'm going to bring that in. If I decide against it later, that's fine, but that is just too darn pretty to ignore. Then I think maybe this guy. I never reach for it, and I think that could pair, I don't know, with some of the shadows that I'm currently painting. So I'm going to go ahead and pull that one too. Wow, this is probably my easiest start to my series or my BYOP yet. Normally it takes me 8 million years. Do I have anything for... I don't really have like a whole lot of shimmers in my rotation, so I'm thinking mostly shimmers will probably be in here, but it doesn't hurt to look at other shades. I do have a second palette under here because I do have a couple more shadows in there that we could pull. I'm thinking this shade. I believe this is Lavender from JD Glow. I don't think I need both of them though. I'm going to keep Good God in, and I'm going to pull out, I think, this one. Not this guy, but this one. I'm a sucker for these blue-purple kind of shades, and I think this will give me a little bit more variety than just Lavender, which was that guy. Yeah, I'm going to pull that in. That's very pretty. Maybe a neutral. So I am debating maybe this guy or maybe something from the palette below. So let me go ahead and swap that real quick. No, for sure. I don't think I want to grab anything from in here. I'm going to grab this. This is 20-something by ColourPop. Ooh, but is that too similar to this shadow that's already in? Oh, yeah, that's way too similar. So I'm only going to leave the one that I'm panning, and I'm going to put that one back. But maybe I'm going to pull one of these. You can't really see them. They're not super in frame. These are my Cleona singles, so I think I want to just swatch these and see which one I'd want. Oh, they're so pretty. I think I'm going to go with UV, which is this. No, I'm going to go with this one. This is, I'm going to butcher the name. It's Flores. Oh, Bandit has seen something that he wants. It's a pretty cute assortment so far. I came back and I feel like I know exactly that I want this one. This is from the Elf Rosewater quad. And I think that's shade number 3. Yeah, baby, I was right. Apparently, I am like really leaning into the cool tones this month. Like, we are there for it. All right, I'm at the final 2, and now I'm like a little stumpied on what I want to roll in. I'm going to swatch this out again, just that way I'm cognizant of that color. Maybe something like this to complement the minty shade that I have in, what one was that? This one? I don't know. They all look so darn similar. It's almost comical that I have all of them. Ah, perfect. A very large variety of shades. I am thinking this guy. Ooh, I lied, actually. This one. I'm going to pick this one. This is, I want to say Mojito. See if I'm right. Oh, yeah, Mojito it is. I'm going to pull that guy out. I'm going to pick just a super boring shade to complement everything. And actually, that's going to be this guy. The Big 3 by ColourPop. It's just like a blue-toned... Like, is it actually too similar to this? Ooh, yeah, I'm not going to pull that. That's a little too similar. Definitely different, but similar enough. So I'm either going to pull this nude here or this nude here. And they're about the same too. I'm going to pull this one. This is Morphe James Charles Ring Light, and that's going to round out my palette. So you're going to see a swatch clip go up. It's going to be a different angle, so enjoy a better angle than what I'm filming it now. And that is the color story for the month. So I'm excited. I feel like this is definitely more winter, springtime than I normally gravitate towards, with a lot more of these like pastel kind of colors. It's going to blend really well to my Pan Those eyeshadows though, with a couple that are going to just complement my, what am I doing? My Pan That palette. So I'm excited to give these a go and use them, but that is my palette for the month. I hope you guys enjoyed, and until then, I hope to see you in my next video. I hope you guys are staying healthy, sane, and safe, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye!